Good morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas week 3. I am getting ready to go to the grocery store. It's morning. I'm in my parking garage right now and I'm so hungry, but anyways, I just had my morning coffee and got ready for the day. But I know I just did a grocery haul in my last vlog, but this one is gonna be like a holiday grocery shopping. I'm not going to show you what I got though because it's not really that interesting, but I am going to show you like when I cook, which will probably be like next week for week 4, getting ready for Christmas Eve and Christmas. I'm going to be staying in California for Christmas. I won't be going back to Kentucky, which I'm really kind of sad about, but it's like so expensive to like fly back home, so I'm staying here and I'm kind of sad about it because I really wanted to see my family. Really kind of bummed about that, and I really just want to make it like a Christmas I had at home. So I'm making all the foods my mom makes, and I got a Christmas tree, and I'm just trying to make it as homey as I can because I don't know, it's just kind of weird not being home. I've never not been home for Christmas, so I'm very like kind of bummed about that, but we're gonna make the most of it and I'm gonna make all kinds of fun food. I'm literally gonna make so much, so there's only 2 of us and I'm gonna eat most of it because David's such a picky eater. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I haven't eaten like all day and I'm starving. I'm on my way to Jones on 3rd again. It's my new favorite place. They have such good sandwiches. So I'm trying their new ham and brie sandwich, I think. And then I'm getting my lemon bar that I love. Wow, I got such a good spot. I got my food. So the sandwich I wanted, I don't know, I guess I didn't have any more, so I just had to get the regular apricot sandwich. And then they charged me extra for more brie, which is kind of frustrating, but at least I got like a shiz ton of brie. And then I got my my lemon bar. Good morning, guys. I am on my way to get some coffee. I'm trying a new coffee place out. I've never tried it. It's called Phil's Coffee. You know, people like Emma Chamberlain, like they drink it all the time. So I'm really excited to try it. I think I'm gonna get the iced rosé coffee. I don't know, it sounds pretty good and interesting. I don't know, I heard it's yummy, but we'll see. I just picked up my coffee. I got a large iced rosé coffee. I hope it's good. I don't know. We're gonna do a taste test, but I actually got such a good parking spot, which I'm like always so excited about it in LA. Yeah, and it already had like, and it also has like money left on it, so I didn't have to pay, thank God. And it's so close, but I went in there and I went into the wrong line. There's like a order line and a checkout line. Yeah, like any coffee place, but I went into the checkout line to order. So like, way to announce that I'm never been here. I love embarrassing myself. So let's try this. Oh gosh, I'm so picky about my coffee. So where can I set you all? I just can't set you all in my car. I think this might work. Okay. Okay, you're sitting on my steering wheel now, and I'm gonna try the coffee. Okay. It's actually really, really good. Like, so it says it kind of tastes like rosé, like a rose hints or something. But it just tastes like really creamy coffee. I see what all the hype is about. It was pretty good. It was $6. Probably won't go back for a while, also because I'm like 16 minutes away. But I'm obsessed. I don't know what that was. But yeah, I'll definitely probably come back here if I'm ever on Sunset Boulevard, which is like the closest one to me. Sunset is actually not that busy right now, which is really surprising. Good morning, guys. Yes, I am wearing the same sweater as before. It's my new favorite sweater. Anyways, I have my Morning coffee, my iced caramel brulee latte, and I am on my way to the Grove. I stopped for a second so I could talk to you all. I was gonna film the parking garage, but that's kind of dark and I'm sure you don't want to see all that. I am on my way to the Grove. I'm looking for an acting book. If you don't know, I moved to LA. Like, if you're new to this channel, I moved to LA. Like most people who move to LA, I'm an actress. I love it. I love the feeling I get when I'm watching a show and it makes me cry or makes me laugh. I want to be able to bring that type of reaction and feeling to someone else, and that's just one of the reasons why I love acting, is that you can do that for someone. I just love diving into new characters and discovering things about myself that I didn't know I could do. Yeah, I took a break for a while. I don't know, I feel like I was getting like too obsessed with it. Like, I needed to take a step back, so I took a break for like maybe a year, and I was looking for other things I'm passionate about, so I started fashion blogging, and I really enjoy that. I think it's really important to find other things that you love to do. If you stay like focused on one thing, I mean, that's what people do. They tell you like eat, breathe, sweat, acting, or whatever you're passionate about. But if you're too focused on it and it becomes like an obsession, it gets really unhealthy. And I just think it's important to have other things you love and other things to look forward to, because if you don't get that part, or you don't, like, things aren't working for you in the industry, it's gonna get really discouraging if you don't have other things to do, you know what I mean? So I took a break and now I'm back and I feel more passionate than ever, and I just really want to dive back in. And since I'm moving to LA, or since I moved to LA, I just want to focus more on that and less about my fashion blogging right now. I just want to dive fully back in and go all in. So I'm looking for an acting book for monologues and like scripts and stuff that I can put in my back pocket, because you never know who you're gonna meet here, and I always want to be prepared, and I don't really have anything prepared right now. So I'm searching for a book that I can like really like focus on and maybe learn like 10 monologues to choose from, because I have a plan. Okay, my game plan is, first I really need to find a job, but if I don't know when that's gonna happen, so I'm going to memorize my monologues and whatever scripts or whatever. I'm gonna put those in my back pocket, and I'm going to apply to agents and managers. I already started a list of people that I need to email, and like companies that have like online portals and stuff you can apply to, or just personal emails or something like that. And I'm going to send those out, and just in case I do get an interview, that's why I have those monologues. Once I do get a job, I'm going to, you know, work and save up, and then I'm gonna get some like not too expensive headshots, because once you do sign with an agent or manager, they're gonna want you to get like headshots from a certain person, but I do need to update them. They're so old, I really need to get new ones. Even if they're just like cheap ones, I do need to get like a little bit of update. And then I need to find acting classes. That's so important. You can meet lots of people through that. It's one of the things like they look for when they're signing you. I haven't been in a while, I just can't afford it right now, and that's okay. Once I do get a job, I'll be able to afford it, and I already have like little savings, you know, saved up, so I won't be totally like waiting forever to get money. But yeah, that's the plan, and hopefully this year is my year. But if it's not, I hope that I grow in other like aspects of my career. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna head to the Grove and hopefully find a good monologue book, or I'll just check on Amazon. I don't really know, but hopefully we find a good one. I'm sitting here talking to myself, been here for like 10 minutes, but here are the books I ended up getting. I got Break the Rules and Get the Part for 30 monologues for women. And then I got Contemporary Monologues for 20-somethings. Those are really good. They have like lots of like more modern monologues. I don't really like ones with plays or anything. So if you're not really into like theater, these are definitely for you if you're looking for like TV and film kind of books. Really great ones. I already picked one out. I already have them bookmarked. And then I went with The Actor's Life Survival Guide by Jenna Fisher. She's in The Office. I've actually only seen like 2 episodes of The Office, but this seemed like a really good read. And I've already started on chapter 1 and it's pretty good. Has really good useful information, and it like really like tells about like the actor's life and how it's not so glamorous at first. So got that. I got these all from Amazon, but I looked at them in the bookstore, so I definitely recommend doing that first and then seeing if they're on Amazon, because you'll get them for like a way better price. Like these were so much cheaper than if I bought them in the store.